2022 4Runner, if you notice, it's stock, baby. And he my friend, so friends don't let friends drive stock. Introducing the Emu lift kit. The upper A-arms as well from Old Man Emu. Then we got the Rev, I think it's called Rev. Yeah, Rev Tech, there you go. The differential drop kit. Then, if you notice, man, sometimes I got a gyro like a lean, you know? Well, you can't fix my lean, but we can fix the lean on the 4Runner with these parts right here, which is like the full spacer and the little ring right here. Then he got the nitrogen shocks. Then we're going to finish up with alignment and V-cut. But we can't let him go like that. V-cut, suspension lift kit, bam. Fuel, wheels, and tires also going on there, man. Stay tuned. Let's take a look at what the lift kit will do in difference of my Snap-on measuring tape, man. This is the time for me to promote it. Here we go. 35 on the front, 36 3/4 on the rear. So let's see what it do after we put the lift kit and after we put the wheels and tires. What are we saying on that? I got distracted because come look at my scrap guy, man. His name is Mississippi. And he's a special character. I see you came alone today, baby.
Say again?
I see you came alone today.
I was home alone.
So what's up then?
What's up with you, bro? I was home alone. What you mean? I ain't never need no bodyguard. I've been here 33 years in the state pension. I ain't never need no bodyguard.
Yeah, but you never met nobody like me either.
Bro, don't grab it. Don't get back to the player. Hey, I don't want you to get hit.
You never met nobody like me, baby.
Okay, all right now. I like you, devil. Don't make me, please. I'm acting. I like you, boy. What at it, man?
I got the coolest damn scrap guy ever, man.
I'm gonna stay cool.
But he be talking shit.
Yeah, but you, look how you talk to a poor ass nigga.
I don't talk in no way. I be nice to you.
Yeah, I be nice to you, but you always talk about whoop my old nigga. Old nigga ain't gonna.
You why you boxed me that day?
Yeah, but I'm getting old.
But
man.
You boxed me that day, didn't you?
Yes. Sir.
All right then.
Okay.
Who started it?
You did.
No.
No, you started. Look, I hope I can get paid there for all this here. I need you some. Hey, I need to give me a little change.
I give you a piece of metal. I always give you metal.
Yeah,
This is leftover scrap from Friday. How much you gonna give me? I want $100.
Nigga ain't got no money, man.
How much money you got?
How
much money you got?
Hey, put it where? Put it on your ball, man. They do it again. I'm gonna have to do it. Hey, when you patting on a nigga, yeah, I feel like a nigga go patting on me, he trying to get out on me. That's where I feel now. Yeah, hey.
All right.
Hey, boy, you like.
So we're gonna start off with the old Emu upper A-arm, the spring and the shock on the driver's side, and don't forget about that driver's side lean. The bumpers are already off, wheels are off. We're gonna reprogram the sensors on the wheels to get it going, and then do my favorite part: get him out, get him aligned, get him charged. But my boy Cyrus just got on my case because he's not coming here no more. What you just authorized?
2022. Oh, because you got me on the ceramic coating.
You got 2 vehicles there for ceramic coating, and that's just like the finishing touch of the car. He's like, I'm not coming back no more. But you know he is. You done today, right?
Huh?
You be done today, right?
Oh, yeah. Ito na, okay.
This side. No, the whole truck.
Ito na naman.
Customer waiting inside.
Okay.
He can keep waiting.
Give me a beer.
Give him a beer. Calibas needs my help on this one. He specifically said, Geraldo, I need your help. All right, sir, let me go ahead and do it. There you go.
Oh, bravo.
Another one bites the dust, baby.
You forgot this.
That goes over it. There you go. The Brannick 7400 allows you to move the spring compressor anywhere you want in the shop. And sometimes, man, we move it here, we move it there, we put it over there. You know what I'm saying? But it's wonderful. It does cost money, man. But if you're doing springs and struts a lot on a professional level, you got to get this one, man, right here. He's doing the front one, removing the strut cap to put on the new shock. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go inside and check out coffee. So you can see Ruben here prepping for the V-cut. No, not this V-cut, baby. I'm still working on this one. This V-cut. So customers gonna order a bumper to put on there. So we are cutting the V-bumper to accept the wheel and tire so they don't rub. Because we all know 4-wheelers rub, man, without that V-cut. So now we're taping her off. Then we gotta make it symmetric on both sides. And then once we're done with the V-cut, we're gonna go in there and clean all the debris off, like the, you know, deburr it. And then we're gonna finish off with a gasket for that OEM look. Driver side lean repair, and in this case is a spacer that you put on the spring to correct said issue. While he's installing the lift kit, at the same time, and I do mean the same damn time, Ruben is over here doing the bumper right now, and he's measuring to make him symmetrical. They got to match, man. If not, customer won't be happy. We can't have that. There's a lesson we learned at the fire department, man.
Why are you always mad at me?
You can't stay mad at you, dude. I'm joking. Measure twice, cut once. So before we cut, Caleb, remember we did something. So cheers for Caleb, the cameraman, right? Because he prevented us from doing a mistake. Hey, Jack! No fun! So right here, we were gonna cut this tab off. But on the last V cut we've always cut to it so that way it stays there and stays put. And it just cleaner OEM look, right? So now we're gonna re-measure, and the goal is to cut once, right? Let's measure. 39.5. Over here, 40 3/4, almost 41. Well, that lifted its job, didn't it? It lifted it. And because we are considerate, we're going to ahead and save you the headache of having to rewind and fast forward. And here we're going to drop in the clip for you. 35 on the front, 36 3/4 on the rear. So let's see what it do after we put the lift kit and after we put the wheels and tires. So now we got the 2-in-1 polish going on. 2-in-1 means cuts and polishes, and we're using the Rupes Uno Protect, baby. Check it out. Then we're gonna go back and do ceramic coating, man, and get it looking fly. Ceramic coating is now underway, so that way when the customer picks up the car, man, redo. When the customer picks up the whip, he's going to know, he's not gonna know what hit him first. Fuck, man. When the customer picks up the car, he don't know what they hit him first. The lift, the wheels and tires, the paint correction, the ceramic coating, man, the V-cut, baby. Whichever angle it is, man, you got it done at deviate. Is that right? So we didn't take the outro last time, so this is a week later. He just brought it back. It's still an ongoing project So just so you guys know, he got the heavy duty rear springs, which is a little bit higher, and the reason why he got that, he got metal bumpers coming in with a fresh tire carrier on it. So there you go. He needs the heavy duty springs, man. But how you like it, baby? See the beauty, huh? V-cut, wheels and tires, suspension lift kit, ceramic coated car and wheels. Now remember, this was done a week ago, man. Come to DV Auto Sport, man, for all your needs.